Today on my way to work, the matatu I was in had news on, and someone really resonated what I've always not really thought aloud, but I've always thought to myself. And he was talking about the hustler president or the hustler nation. And he said that this person has been in this same government that has made Kenyans miserable since day one. And money has been blown off, but he's still there. At no point has he ever said he's stepping aside because he doesn't want to be in a government that frustrates the hustler that he claims to be protecting at the end of the day. Never. But now he wants to come fight this same government while he's still in it, while he still earns from it. And Kenyans are believing that he is fighting for the hustler community or whatever hustler nation.